So are tariffs working in the US and are they good for the US stock market? Well, this is what Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has said, that they've got record large tariff collection of nearly $23 billion, bringing the August total to $30 billion, with the month not yet complete, of course, and no consumer price inflation. That would bring the budget deficit roughly down to a 50-year average if these tariff revenue numbers are correct. Let's assume for the moment they are. And the budget deficit is, the trend continues with the tariff income. So all good. Everybody should do this in every country. If we then switch to what Warren Buffett's view on this is, and the man's got some experience at being, well, right for a start, his view is, yeah, short term all looks fine, but tariffs, when politicized, become, well, weaponized and creates a lot of enemies in the longer term and reduces trade with other countries. So the short term numbers could look good and the longer term numbers might not look so good. So it might not be a silver bullet. In the short term, if we assume these numbers are good and the markets are going to all-time highs anyway, the good news could be that, of course, America is a capitalist country and the private sector, such as Tesla and Apple, for instance, if we take those as extreme examples, they're continuing significant investment abroad and they're continuing to manufacture abroad. Classic example being India, for instance, where Apple is ramping up manufacturing. Tesla, for instance, opening up new showrooms and the like. So some of that longer-term damage, political damage, could be mitigated by the private sector anyway. Could it be Goldilocks, win-win with economics? It's so difficult to tell. But it's, on the face of it, my interest is in the stock market, if you look at the US stock market at all-time highs, it's not as bad as we feared. Okay, now from that, if you're a Republican, you're going to read, oh my God, see, they're always right. If you're a Democrat, hardcore, you'd read into that, the numbers are false, it's going to collapse any moment. I'm ignoring political bias, trying to just look at it from the stock market perspective, okay, objectively, neutrally, in the way after 9/11, those in my industry looked at what does this mean for the stock market. We leave everything else for the moment to the politicians, okay? Hope that was a little bit helpful. Thank you.